What up, y'all? See, this oil filter is actually old. I never changed it when I put in the oil that I just drained out now. Because a few weeks ago, pull it out now, show you how bad. It's only been like maybe a month or less when we had those 20s and low 30 degrees for a couple weeks. And I normally run 2050 in here. And that kind of way in them temperatures is no good. So I put 10W40, 10W30 VR1 oil, same style oil. I use just thinner weight. And since I installed the relay, you can see how black and nasty this is. It's only been a couple weeks, maybe a month max. And look how dirty this shit is. Like I said, that's just from where it sits and idles and warms up before I go to work. Look at that. That is ridiculous, bro. I also got to drain the catch can. And put the new filter on. That's what I normally run, 2050. But, yeah. This oil, with my bearing clearances and my motor and the temperatures, this weight doesn't work no matter what it is. Yeah. Now I'm about to disconnect these lines, take these off, spray brake cleaner all up in here, clean all this crap out. And tomorrow, as long as I can get a grinding wheel, these junk lines are going bye-bye, including the one down there that pops off. This one isn't even really, it's just in there, barely. So yeah, you replace those three. And then, last but not least, I gotta figure out the fuel pressure problem, which I'm going to take this gauge out, take this off, reseal these, because I noticed there's a small hint of residue in here. Looks like gas, but not wet. That, or it could possibly be a bad gauge. I'm not sure. But going based off the sound out of here when I prime it, sounds like something's clogged on the return line, or I don't know what it is. See if y'all can hear it real quick. Yep, so I got that, and then the pressure gauge drops immediately, as you see. And when it is priming, this thing's bouncing around like crazy. So I'll possibly change the gauge just to test it. If not, then I gotta follow the fuel line down and under the car all the way back to here. Let's see if there's a break or a crack or something in it. But that is it for now.